Have you ever thought about how systems actually understand what you type? Or how a simple sentence can trigger a meaningful response from an AI? For us, language feels easy, automatic, almost all the time. But for machines, it is actually one of the hardest problems to solve. Because human language isn't simple, the same sentence can mean different things. Different people say the same thing in a completely different ways. And, and the context that changes everything. But still, AI is today getting surprisingly good at this. It is just not reading the words anymore. It is starting to understand what we actually mean. So, in this masterclass, we're going to break that down. We will start from the basics, how machines processes text, how language is structured behind the scenes, and how meanings start to emerge from it. Then we will go a step further into understanding how systems figure out the intent, pick out important information, and deal with real world language. And finally, we will look at how all of this works in practice using tools like Azure Conversational Language Understanding. The idea here is very simple, not just theory, but real understanding. So you can actually apply this in real world scenarios. Whether you're just starting it out or you want to go deeper into how this works, this series will give you a clear and practical view. So let's get started and see how machines are learning to understand us.